Since the first exercise starts on fret 5 of the high E, that's where I'm going to exemplify these points. So first finger, fret 5 of the high E string, make sure your thumb behind the neck is in the centre and roughly in line. Now notice the position of the first finger and how I'm up against the fret on this side. I'm not here. Notice the gap. I don't want that gap. I want to be this side of the fret on fret 5 to get the clearest note. That is what's known as the optimal fret position. If I'm here, I'm going to get this buzzing sound. If I'm in the centre of the fret, not too bad, but really I want to be right up against the actual fret wire, the metal bit. And whenever my other fingers get involved, if I put the next finger on the next fret, also goes to the optimal position, next finger, optimal position, and so on and so forth. The next thing is, and this is a little bit more nuanced and a little bit more difficult to do, so I'm going to make this optional, alright? But if you can do this, do it. You want the tip of the fretting hand fingers to be touching the string above the one you're actually playing to stop any unwanted string noise. And this doesn't get talked about very often, but it is a necessary thing, especially if you're going to amplify yourself, and especially if you're planning on getting an electric guitar at some point. So notice, if I play with my finger and if I put a gap here, see this little gap between the B string and my index finger, when I play this note, listen to what happens. Where's that noise coming from? That's the B string resonating in sympathy with the A note on the high E. Now through an amplifier, that's going to really be noticeable, and that could actually interrupt the continuity of your playing. Alright, so if I put my finger and close that gap, so the gap was here, but if I close this gap up and then play the note, and then it stops, you see? It's nice and clean. So that's something I want you to hold on to throughout this video. Let's start exercise 1. We're going to do 2 repeats on every single string. Let's do it at 60 beats per minute. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me know in the comments section how you get on with that exercise. Let's move on to exercise number 2. We're going to be using fingers 1, 2 and 4 on frets 5, 6 and 8 this time. We'll be doing 2 repeats on each string as before. at 60 BPM. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That's exercise 2. Once again, let me know in the comments how you're getting on with this exercise. Let's do exercise 3. For exercise 3, we're going to be using fingers 1, 3 and 4 of the fretting hand on frets 5, 7 and 8. We're going to do the whole thing twice and repeat it twice on every single string at 60 beats per minute. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So there it was, that was exercise 3. And that concludes all of the exercises, the finger independence exercises for this warm-up in this video. If you would like the tabs for this, then you can find them over on my Patreon page. I will stick a link in the description. Aside from that, please let me know how you're getting on in the comments. I wish you every success with your newly found guitar warm-up, and don't forget to revisit this video each time you need to get those fingers moving into the right places. And as you progress, don't be scared to up the tempo as well. 70 beats per minute, 80 beats per minute, etc. Thanks for watching. Keep on strumming, and don't forget to check out the video above.